Hi, my name is Fonsugochu Fred, and folks call me the Online Millionaire because I teach people how to make money using the internet. Alright, in my previous videos, we talked about what affiliate marketing is not and what affiliate marketing is and how you can get started, okay? So I mentioned about getting your domain, getting your preferred name for the website, getting your host, getting platform where you want to host the website, and also getting started with the website proper. Okay, so in all of this, there is something very important that you need, to turn all of that mechanisms that you have put in place to become highly successful, to give you that choice business platform that you intend, to build and have your business to run on. All right, it's good to have an email marketing system in place. It's good to have a website. It's good to have a landing page. It's good to have the graphics. It's good to have the business pages. It's good to have all that professional stuff, have your image properly positioned online where you look like a professional, well branded with all the website and all that, everything shiny. It's good that you have all of that. But there are things that you will need to, pay more attention to, as in you really need to focus on some of these things. And what are those things? One of those things is your content. You've heard the popular cliche that says content is key. Yes, content is key and you cannot change that. It remains like that every other time. It is consistent. Content is king and there is nothing that you can do without content. If anybody is telling you that you can achieve anything without content, tell the person that the person is lying. He's not telling you the truth. So sometimes when people come to me talking about how they want to build their business online, how they want to set up, how they want to start making money, with business, I realize that most of them come to me with this mentality, this gambling mentality sort of, where they will come in, put in 10,000 and within the next few hours or within the next 1 week, they are making 100k. Okay. Where they will just, some of these investments, scam investments or Ponzi, where they will put in money and within 2 weeks, let's say they put in 10,000 within 2 weeks and they'll have 200k. Those things don't work. And anybody that is telling you that is lying to you. Anybody that will not be bold enough to tell you that if you are coming to work online, you need to slug it out. You need to put in the work. You need to put in the time. You need to put in the money to make it successful. Anybody that is not telling you this, the person is not helping you. The person is not telling you the truth. And most likely, the person just want to sell a course to you, and make himself richer. So me, I'm not cut out for such, right? So whether you buy a course from me, whether you subscribe to my training or whatever, whether you patronize my services or not, it is not only you that that's coming to me. It's not only you that I'm selling to. So I will always sell. I will always make money. Apart from that, I have other things that I'm doing that also pays me money. So when we come to online space like this to talk about some of these things, so we talk about it, from the depth, and we speak nothing but the truth about the whole situation. So you will need to create content, and not just any content. You will need to create winning content. That's number one. Number two is that you need to be consistent in creating that winning content. It's not a one-off thing. You don't just create one content and you just go and sleep. No. If you go to my blog, I have some articles that are about 14,000 words, 12,000, 8,000 words, 7,000. Okay, Google says 500, but we need to do and surpass, that benchmark so that our results can be phenomenal. And apart from creating content, you also need to learn how to do SEO for the content so that your content will begin to rank online. Because if you are relying just on paid traffic, okay, especially as a beginner, you might really feel the impact. Okay, where Google gives you opportunity to earn free traffic, but because you don't want to spend the time required to work on that, you allow those free traffic to pass you by when other people are using it to make money. So I don't think it's a good thing. You need to learn SEO, you need to create content, like I said. Then another thing, you need to learn how to run paid advertising. If you're not running paid advertising, you don't have a business. Okay, if you're not running paid advertising, you are not running a business. You don't have a business. All right, that's why I say you have to have money to run a business online, because you need to pay for advertising. And the paying for advertising is not something you just do once and you rest. No, it is something that you need to keep doing. So if you put in, say, 1,000 naira today, or let's say you start with 10,000. Okay, you put in 10,000 today, and by say in 4 days time you're able to make up to 50,000 for instance. Then you increase it to 20,000. So if you made 60,000 or you made 80,000 with that increase that you made, then you should know that you should invest 30,000 to make more. So that's how it works. So winning content, SEO, paid traffic, and then you need to put in your marketing system in place, because you cannot even run an advertising without having a very powerful marketing system in place. What am I saying? Your landing page. It's not just landing page, it's a whole lot of stuff put together, a complete sales system. And these things are not difficult things to do. You can just, the snap of a finger, you can get someone to take you on that. You can also get some introductory courses on YouTube for that for free. But if you want to go far, if you want to be professional in it, if you actually want to make money, then you need to get to people who are already doing these things, people who are already achieving results. Let them show you what they have been doing and exactly how they've been doing it. Okay, so with that, we come to the end of today's video, and I look forward to coming your way again with information about affiliate marketing. It's a whole lot of things. It's easy, but it's broad. Okay, so, and if you need to make money with affiliate marketing, then you need to be serious. Don't forget, there's work to be done, there's time to be spent doing the work, there's research to be done. Okay, there's money to be spent, right? And there are some little fixes to do to make it work. So if you are really serious about making money with affiliate marketing, then keep these 4 or 5 things at the back of your mind and sit your ass down, get to know people who are doing these things and work with them and see how you can achieve results. So from here, for now, it's going to be goodbye till I come your way again. I remain Monsugochukwu Alfred, and folks call me the Online Millionaire, because I teach people how to make money using the internet. From now, it's going to be bye.